So now, as a bonus, there's one more curry that Samantha is making. He started
So
with.
Brinjal Moju.
I'm sorry?
Brinjal Moju. Aubergine.
Yeah. Brinjal Moju. Yeah. Aubergine, healthy dose of it. So he started with sugar and
Vinegar.
Yeah. So no vegetable oil, nothing like
No
that.
oil.
And then so I guess the Europeans call it aubergine and Americans call it eggplant. So finely cut. It's a different style of curry than the dal curry or the prawn curry that Samantha made earlier, which is this dal curry, and this is the prawn curry, which was fabulous, by the way. And then again, these are all the ingredients that he explained at the top of the demonstration. And then these are additional ingredients.
These ingredients are Brinjal. Aubergine curry ingredients. Pineapple, capsicum, and
So you have tomato,
onion, capsicum.
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 Is that like a celery?
No, it's a chili.
It's a chili.
Like a pepper.
Is it spicy?
No spicy. Medium.
Medium?
Try one.
Yeah. Oh, it's like bell pepper.
Yeah.
I see. And then this is pineapple.
Pineapple.
Mmm. So quite the different type of curry. Okay.
Okay. Add ginger. Chopped ginger.
Oh, so it's very different. Yeah. The prawn curry, you didn't put ginger.
Yes.
It was garlic.
Sorry. Yeah.
Mm.
Garlic.
Oh, that leaf.
Carlios.
Carlios. Okay.
Little garlic.
Okay. Oh, I'm still eating that dal curry. Kumara, I'm gonna lick the plate.
Yeah.
No, I'm just joking. But it's almost tempting to do that.
Try one papada.
Sorry?
Papada can try.
You can try, sir, the papada.
Try one.
Papada.
Yeah.
Crunch. Crispy.
So were you just talking to him in the Sinhala?
Single.
Yeah.
Papada. Adonai have ganda.
Deep fried. So this is what you eat with the dal curry.
Yes.
With this. You can dip it in here. All right, I'll dip it on the side. No, I haven't bit on this side. Is that okay, Samantha? Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's jaggery. Jaggery.
Chakri.
Yes. Chutney. Tomato sauce. I mean, kalangran.
What was before the tomato sauce?
Tomato sauce.
No,
Tomato
before that. What did you put in before the tomato sauce?
No.
Was it jasmine?
Yes, yes.
Ah, okay.
Chili flakes. Meat. Salt. Add ingredients.
All right.
Very sure you can see.
Just put them all in at the same time?
Yes. Yes. Open. Go along. Taste number. Done.
And time for the aubergine. Awesome.
Quick one. Very simple recipe.
Mm.
Deep fry. Finished.
All right. Awesome.
Okay.
Thank you, Samantha.
Thank you.
So I thought this was a curry. This is not a curry.
Curry.
Oh, yeah.
Moju. Like a
Moju.
moju.
Moju. Is that what you call it? Mm.
Moju. Brinjal Moju.
Brinjal Moju.
Brinjal Moju. Moju.
Moju.
Yes.
That's what you call it in the local language, huh?
The Brinjal Moju.
Brinjal
Moju.
Moju. Is that right? Brinjal Moju.
Moju.
All right.
दाल टिकट देनी मीट टिकट रख कर लगी मैं